We'll guide you through how to understand why ChatGPT might be running slow and what you can do about it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account if you're not already signed in when you're using ChatGPT. There are a few reasons why the service might be slower than usual. One common reason could be server load. If many people are trying to use ChatGPT at the same time, it can cause slowdowns. To check the current status, you can visit OpenAI's status page, where they provide real-time updates on server performance and any ongoing issues. Another factor might be your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable and fast network. You can test your speed using online tools like speed tests to see if your connection is the culprit. If everything seems fine on your end, it might be that your browser needs a refresh. Try clearing your cache and cookies, which can help improve performance. You can do this by going to your browser settings, finding the privacy or security section, and selecting the option to clear browsing data. Choose to clear cached images and files and cookies from your desired time range. After you've done this, restart your browser and try accessing ChatGPT. Again, if the problem persists, consider trying a different browser to see if that makes a difference. Sometimes browser extensions or plugins can interfere with website performance, so disabling them temporarily might help. Remember, these steps can help you identify and potentially fix the issue, ensuring you have a smoother experience with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.